It's starting to getting hot here. I lost my... What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Build Love Repeat. It's time for car meet. I didn't post any car meets on the channel, so it's time to do this. And it looks like this will be our last season car meet, first on the channel and last on the channel this season. So let's roll to the car meet and let's see what's happening there. Brother also joined me. Actually, brother sent me a message that today is a car meet. Now nobody knows where it happens because the location was dropped a couple of minutes ago, and location not suitable, I will say, for such a car meet. As we know, it's hard to drive without power steering. Now we are going to our official location. Let's see what's happening there. Alright, so feels like Tokyo as the Tokyo Underground car meet. First car meet here. We arrived just in time to park our cars just in a corner. As you can see, both cars are in place. Let's have some time around. Let's see what cars are here, because finally it's a paid car meet. It's a public parking, but you need to pay for entrance, so it's something around €1. And now people start to come more and more, but nobody can enter the rooftop because you need to have a great car. So now we will hang around and see what's good here on a rooftop. Looks like someone called the police because they just arrived. Let's go and see what's going to happen, because definitely someone called from the apartment building that it's getting loud. Alright, so police doing some checks. I think the drone is not allowed here. Guys trying to land with the drones.
Hello everybody, my name is Edgar, and I'm being taken away by the police because I have no driving license and I have no license on my car, and I was shooting fire on the parking lot and they're kind of searching for me. But I'm gonna sit in my car and try and drive out. It will be a challenge, so let's see what happens next.
It's starting to getting hot here, and now looks like here is a traffic jam or something. Police staying there. I don't know what's happening actually. I'm on my way to pay parking, try to find where to pay, and let's get back to the car. Alright, now another problem occurred. I lost my GoPro. It fell off from the car somewhere on the highway, somewhere here. I will try to find it, but I don't think so. Looks like someone already picked it up because I saw something black, but now it's gone from the road. Unfortunately. I hope I will find it where I started to drive, but looks like it could be gone. Alright, so it's the next day. Before I go to the garage, I will go give a shot to find a GoPro. And also this morning I posted on Facebook, on Instagram, with the hopes that someone will share and GoPro will be found. I will try one more time to go and look during the daylight. Maybe it will be somewhere there. I'm back in the workshop. Unfortunately, I didn't found my GoPro. I hope Facebook Power will help me found it. Thanks again for watching. So I will end this episode here. I will get back on the side skirt project, but you give me a favor, subscribe, because I see that a lot of you guys are not subscribed, and I will be happy to have you on my channel. Don't forget to build your projects, love what you do, and repeat it again and again. See you next one.